Quahogs have many names.
Ocean
Hard
quahog
clams,
clam, 500
harpshell
plus
clams,
years old.
cherry stones, little necks.
Ocean
Really,
quahog
they're
clams
all the
inhabit the
same.
North Atlantic
There are
Ocean.
also ocean quahogs,
This
but you may
saltwater
not have
species
noticed
can
that
live even
some
longer than the
humans
other
have actually
bivalve on this
eaten or
list, the
consumed
freshwater
quahogs
pearl
for a
mussel.
while. Native Americans have
One
been
ocean
eating these
quahog
clams
clam
for
found off the
centuries,
coast of
and
Iceland
they
in
even introduced
2006
settlers
was
to quahogs in the
507
first
years
place.
old.
What's kind of crazy is that
According to
for
National
few
Museum Wales in
settlers
the
wouldn't
UK,
even eat the quahog.
the ancient
Or once
clam
they
was
did,
nicknamed
they
Ming
wouldn't
because it
stop.
was born in
Native Americans also
1499.
used quahog shells as
When the
tools,
Ming
as well as
dynasty ruled
underwater
China in the
defense.
colder waters
Some
surrounding
believe that
Iceland, the
quahog
ocean
shell
quahog
is
has
the
a slower
utilized
metabolism,
currency.
and so grows
Inside of a
slowly
quahog
and may
shell
even live
typically
for longer
live
than
shades of yellow,
507.
though the outside is typically also
Scientists just
actually
haven't
just a
found an older
darker
one yet.
variety, appearing in shades of mostly dirty whites and browns. Some hatchery-raised quahogs, however, can have zigzag patterns on their shell.
Whoa! A big black coral.
Black coral, for 000 plus years old. The orals look like colorful, underwater rocks and plants, but they are actually made up of the exoskeletons of invertebrates called polyps. These polyps continually multiply and replace themselves by creating a genetically identical copy, which over time causes the coral exoskeleton structure to grow bigger and bigger. Corals are therefore made up of multiple identical organisms rather than being a single organism, so a coral's lifespan is more of a team effort. Deepwater black corals are among the longest living corals. Black coral specimens found off the coast of Hawaii have been radiocarbon, dated to be 4,265 years old, Live Science previously reported.
It's truly, yeah, I mean, it's hard, I think, for us to conceptualize sometimes how old these animals can be.
Are we the drama?
Glass sponge, 10,000 plus years old.
Drama to be on the video screen, though.
Sponges are made up of colonies of animals, similar to corals, and can also live for thousands of years.
Something we want to look at as well.
Glass sponges are among the longest living sponges on Earth.
Gorgeous. Oh.
Members of this group are often found in the deep ocean and have skeletons that resemble glass, hence their name, according to NOAA. A 2012 study published in the journal Chemical Geology estimated that a glass sponge, belonging to the species Monoraphis chuni, was about 11,000 years old.
You see them sometimes? I'm gonna bring
Other sponge species may be able to live even longer.
They're brutal. That is definitely the money shot. Video.
What if you didn't have to die? What if you could live forever?
Turritopsis
and
dohrnii,
do
potentially
anything you
immortal.
wanted to do?
Turritopsis dohrnii is called the immortal jellyfish because it can potentially live forever.
Some creatures
Jellyfish
are
start life as larvae before establishing themselves on the seafloor and transforming into polyps.
Things
These
normally
polyps
die
then produce
because
free-swimming
things
medusas,
gradually
or
evolve as
jellyfish.
they grow older. And the reason
Mature
for
T.
this is
dohrnii
we're
are special in that they can turn back into polyps if they are physically damaged or starving, according to the American Museum of Natural History,
So all
and then
creatures
later
start
return to their
off
jellyfish state.
to experience senescence,
The jellyfish,
which
which are
causes
native
aging
to the
to
Mediterranean
restrict them.
Sea,
They
can
still
repeat
may be
this
able
feat
to
of reversing their life
or
cycle
if
multiple
they're eaten
times
by
and
another
therefore
creature,
may never
they're
die of
simply
old
going to
age
be
under the
able
right
to
conditions.
regenerate. Even that
According
being
to the
said,
Natural History
they
Museum in
regenerate
London,
themselves and transforming back
T.
into
dohrnii
a
are
12
tiny,
or
less
an
than
11-year-old
0.2 inch
or
across,
potentially
and are
even
eaten by
younger
other
if they're
animals,
going through
such as
essentially
fish,
all
or
of
may
their
die
life.
by other means, thus preventing them
Besides
from
those
actually
strange
achieving
phenomena that have
immortality.
been observed, these creatures are also capable of completely regenerating parts of its body which have been chopped off. For example, if you take a part
must one day die, right? Well, maybe not everything.
Hydra, potentially immortal.
Consider the hydra.
Hydra is a group of small invertebrates with soft bodies that slightly resemble jellyfish and, like T.
Chop off one head
dohrnii,
and
have the
two new
potential to
growing
live
heads.
forever. These invertebrates are largely made up of stem cells, which continually regenerate through duplication or cloning, so these animals don't deteriorate as they get older. They do die under natural conditions because of threats such as predators and disease, but without these external dangers, they could keep regenerating forever. They don't seem to age, so potentially, they are immortal. Daniel Martinez, a biology professor at Pomona College in Claremont, California, who discovered the hydra's lack of aging, previously told Live Science.
Hydra stretches out its tentacles to snag swimming prey. Microscopic harpoons hook the water flea, injecting it with paralyzing neurotoxins. Then,